and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sabha.
Welcome. I'm Jagriti.
I will provide her social links down below, and if not, उसका नाम डाल दूंगी. थोड़ी सी मेहनत करके फेसबुक और इंस्टा पे ढूंढ लिया करो. कुछ तो करो जिंदगी में. आज हम बहुत कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में बातें करेंगे या नहीं भी करेंगे. Depends. So first of all, tell me a little something about yourself, Jagriti.
Well, I am a law graduate. I was also on roadies. I have done a couple of shows here and there, and I am currently working as a creative manager in this modeling agency called Anima Creatives.
Wow, very creative. So, like, what is the definition of fun?
The definition of fun, I guess it's me having a good time without me putting any effort into it. Basically, effortless fun, you know.
Like basically with friends.
With friends, yeah. I mean, I've realized not with every friend. Like the friends I used to have in college have sort of like grown apart, and that's fine, I guess.
Comfort level सबका एक होता है.
हाँ. Yeah, people you're comfortable with. I like going out for movies. I like watching movies in the theaters, even if we have Netflix and all that
Okay,
now.
yeah, disclaimer, by the way, many people don't know. I put on makeup, see,
Yes, she's been doing her makeup since a while. She's very good. She's got a lot of amazing makeup. It's crazy good. Yeah, and that's it. What's your definition of fun?
People who you're comfortable with and be yourself and laugh a lot and enjoy the moment.
Yeah, enjoy. Be in the moment. Be like in the moment, not in the past, not in the present, where you are right now.
Exactly.
That is fun for me.
And for me, right now, this is fun. I mean, coming
Yeah.
to YouTube, making a video,
Yeah,
pretending I'm some beauty guru and life coach.
yeah. I mean,
What's that?
we're thinking out loud, and
Being ourselves.
yes.
See, this is who I am. I am happy at this moment. I can define this moment as fun, and playing with makeup, being myself, getting to do what I want,
Yeah,
does give you a sense of achievement.
yeah.
Because हमारी सोसाइटी में सेंस ऑफ अचीवमेंट का मतलब बहुत बड़ा एंड कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है for no.
Exactly. I don't know why. I mean, satisfaction है ही नहीं किसी को भी. No matter what they do, they're just the goal-oriented mindset. You have to achieve this, and then you'll be fulfilled. But then you aren't. You achieve it, but then you want to achieve something else. So that kind of mentality is always going to
Remember
give you.
तारी ज़मीन पे like सब लोग गधों की तरह रेस में दौड़ रहे हैं.
Hmm.
Everyone is just
That's Three
running.
Idiots, right? और तारे ज़मीन पे.
I think it's both. It's come
Yeah,
on,
it
because
is
it's an
actually
Amir
both.
Khan movie.
Yeah.
Look it
See,
up.
both is, yeah. Love Amir Khan. He should come up with new movies, यार. अभी तो सिर्फ कोई movie
He's
नहीं आ रही है.
coming. No, he's coming up with Lal Singh Chadda. That's
अरे यार, yeah, he's
that's an
also into
official-
Mangal Pandey shit, na.
That's an official Hindi remake of Forrest Gump.
What? What was that?
I said Forrest Gump the way Tom
Forrest
Hanks said
Gump.
it in.
Oh my god, Amir Khan would be good for Forrest Gump, yeah?
Yeah, he would
He
be
would
good,
be.
but with all respect, Mr. Khan, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan have done already. My Name is Khan, so and people have seen Forrest Gump, so he has
don't
a
know
big
the
shoes to
resemblance.
replace.
उसने तो कुछ और किया ना. शाहरुख Khan's not related.
See, the kind of person the character Forrest
was?
Gump
Acha.
was, it's similar to the kind of person portrayed by Shah Rukh Khan. But then at the end of the day, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan has his own style, Mr.
Yeah.
Amir Khan has his own style, each has his own style. हमको ही देख लो, मेरा स्टाइल अलग है, इसका स्टाइल अलग है. So if you can't compare two people
Yeah.
off screen, you should
Yeah,
not compare
yeah,
people on
exactly. He has his own legacy. Shah Rukh Khan has his own legacy.
Exactly. Mr. Amir Khan gave us Tare Zameen Par, and Mr. Shah Rukh Khan gave us My Name is Khan. Two beautiful and iconic movies. and where you get to learn a lot from. And
Hmm.
by the way, Jagriti,
Yes.
tell us something about your Insta activities, like basically.
I will tell you in a minute. I'm getting a call, but like I'll just tell the person that I'll call them back. Hello. Hi babe, I'll call you back. I'm like shooting another video and I am on the call with you while shooting that video, so I'm not cutting it. So you're also a part of the. This is a 3 people video now. Ek second. Yeah, babe. Say what you have to say. Yay! Bye. I love you. Bye.
Aww. Okay, how
He is
कैसे
my
बोलते
boyfriend
हैं?
since the last 3 years.
Love.
This
Oh,
is like
yeah.
my biggest, longest relationship. This is like a 3-year-old relationship at this point, and before this, my longest relationship was like 6 months. So it's crazy how this lasted so long. I think I'm crazy. Like
This
I
makes me how stupid I am.
why
I never had one relationship.
ever?
Ever.
You're like my mom. My mom had no relationships.
Ever. Dude, I'm bloody fucking 30. आज तक एक date तक नहीं गए.
That's not possible. You were on Tinder. What do you mean?
My friends forced me to go on Tinder, to make an account
Kyun,
on
but
Tinder.
kyun? Let's
Because
try
they
to
just
understand.
they just did not somehow want me to be single anymore. I went there. I did not have a good experience.
Huh.
People were like all sort of creeps. पता नहीं कहाँ से आए हैं. Like their dick was always up on Tinder.
Shit, yeah, that's like the worst kind of
And
experience.
the kind of like sly things they used to say. So
Yeah?
yeah, I never met someone जिसके साथ I'd like to actually meet for a coffee or go for a movie. So Tinder or not, honestly, I not dated. I've never
Damn.
been in a relationship till now.
Not even in college
Not even
or
in
school.
college. School, it's a very funny thing. जब मेरी dating की उम्र start हुई, like from 5th or 6th grade, my parents shifted me to an all-girls school.
No! No, man. Why do parents do this?
Actually, that's a good point. Why do parents do it? Because कुछ के लिए एक societal pressure होता है, and the kind of South Asian culture we have, a girl's purity or chastity एक बहुत पहले से mindset हो जाता है, क्योंकि गर्ल्स स्कूल में जाओ तो लगता है कि like इतना बॉयज के साथ interact नहीं होगा, the girls will be protected. बट मेरा ये कहना है कि अगर गर्ल्स को प्रोटेक्टेड ही रहना है ना, विद और विदाउट बॉयज दे वुड बी प्रोटेक्टेड, एंड गॉड फॉरबिड देयर इज समथिंग अनफॉर्चुनेट इन देयर लाइफ, विद और विदाउट बॉयज इट वुड बाउंड टू हैपन.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I mean, honestly, like, I'm lucky in a way that I always share with my parents if I'm dating somebody. Like, my parents knew I'm dating somebody when I was 19. So, that was the first time I told them. So, I guess I had this attitude. It is like this. Accept it, don't accept it. It is like this, you know. And I think maybe the Western culture had a lot to do with my behavior, because I knew that what I'm doing is pretty normal. Like at my age, it's normal, so my parents should be okay with it. And you know, that's how they were okay with it eventually. फिर अब उनको इसका भी पता है. My current boyfriend Ayush, they keep meeting. You know, he comes over for dinner and everything. It's pretty sorted. Maybe it's also a Bombay thing.
It's
I don't know.
also Bombay thing. It's also about the kind of family, because I've had friends who have been dating since school, even though they were in girls' school. कुछ ट्यूशन में वहाँ से मिले, लड़कों से बात बनी, they dated, the families were okay with it. Some of them are married to their high school sweethearts, but I guess I did not have say that luck or that will, or most importantly, I was a very average student. So मुझे to maintain my grades, even those average level grades, I had to work hard. So उन चीज़ों के लिए I could never pay attention, and even in college also. Like for example, when I entered film school in Mumbai, for those who don't know, I did attend film school in Whistling International Mumbai from 2013 to 2015. There were a lot of boys in our group, but we were it couldn't happen because they were all like my friends, family बन चुके थे. So वो चीज़ें दिमाग में आई ही नहीं तब.
I know what
And
you mean.
I grew up around brothers. तो वो एक लड़का है, ये मेरे दिमाग में कभी आया ही नहीं. And also obviously Mr. Karan Johar, you ruined my life by making films like कुछ कुछ होता है, making films like कभी खुशी कभी गम, and all those bubble gumish movies. Let me tell you.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum is hilarious with how unrealistic it is.
But it's kind of sweet because the kind of father-daughter bond they showed between
Kajol
and the actor who played the father, Mr. Alok Nath. I mean, I kind of shared that kind of fun bond with my father.
Yeah.
Yeah, but oh fuck, those jewelries, those lavish houses, those
Yeah.
designer dresses, amazing.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
but people, for me, I like those kinds of movies, the proper Bollywood movies more because yeah, real life shit hai.
Real life?
Real life is shit. Everyone
Yeah,
is
so
going
these
through
are like
shit.
fascinating.
These are like
yeah.
gives you a little breath of fantasy that each and
Escapism.
everyone have, so that they can escape a little and enjoy themselves for some time. So इसमें बुराई क्या है? Yes, उतना भी unrealistic चीजें नहीं दिखानी चाहिए. We know that.
That's why I used to watch a lot of Disney Channel because उसमें भी ऐसी unrealistic चीजें होती थी.
Oh, which was your favorite show on Disney Channel?
Hannah Montana.
You get the best
Yeah.
of both worlds. Chilling out, take it slow. Then
You
rock
used to
on
watch
the
it?
show. Yeah, man. Big time. But
Hannah
then-
Montana, Wizards of Waverly. That's so Raven I used to like a lot. It was so funny.
Oh yeah.
है ना?
Remind me, I need to get. Oh shit, my eyeliner is fucked up. That's so Raven. I think I'll. Oh my god. Need to get the Disney Plus VIP thing.
उसमें है.
Yeah, it's Disney can show na. That's what Raven. Have you seen the new season, Raven's Home?
No, I haven't.
That's like a spin-off, sequelish kind of. Where Raven is divorced from her husband that she met in high school.
Oh. Have you watched
The what?
this thing, Cheetah Girls?
You have seen Cheetah Girls, but I can't call myself a fan of Cheetah Girls.
Yeah, of course. Me neither, but I just इसमें भी Raven थी.
Yeah. Do you remember any other shows that you used to watch, like how about Sweet Life of?
Zack and Cody.
Yeah.
Yes, I used to love it. I had a crush on Zack, like the biggest crush on Zack. That's when I realized that I like bad boys.
Yeah.
But I should have actually liked Cody. Because Cody is like the
Dylan
responsible.
Sprouse. Zack
Yeah.
is Dylan Sprouse.
Yeah.
And Cody is Cole Sprouse. You know Cody was like Ben and Friends.
Yes, I know. And he was also in Riverdale, right?
No, it's Dylan Sprouse in Riverdale.
No.
Dylan. Cole is in Riverdale. I thought. Dylan left acting. He's now a game developer.
Yeah, right. Cole Sprouse.
See, if you want to go to college, you go to college. Cole and Dylan went to college. They did not drop out like many of the Disney people.
Yep. They did not. Yeah, I just really like them. like their vibe. It feels like they're smart.
They both are smart. They studied on scholarships. You know that? I
Really?
heard somewhere.
Is it because they're just extremely popular?
Being popular don't get you scholarships, na honey.
You never know is the point when you're popular. ये वीडियो को ज़्यादा ही बड़ा हो गया है.
Doesn't matter. It's my channel. I post longer content like my size. Big.
What other videos have you posted?
On my YouTube channel, I have posted some old. You remember Dub Smash, the bop of TikTok? Yeah, I have posted videos from Dub Smash.
Oh, I remember it. Shit. Exactly. I was like, this is Dub Smash. What the hell is TikTok? And then I completely forgot about Dub Smash.
Dub Smash. Dub Smash was fun, not like TikTok, like पता नहीं कहाँ से कौन आ जाता है. But see, talking about like TikTok ban in India, it's for security reasons. Many people are thinking why and everything. It's for security, national security reasons. So people need to comply with it. देश की सुरक्षा के आगे तो कुछ नहीं है. TikTok does. See, with TikTok, many people do have made a career out of, but many people have wanted to make fun of themselves also. And who doesn't remember the iconic YouTube versus TikTok war, which is still going on? And from that, I remember, you heard the TikTok star who started it all.
Who?
Is coming on Big Boss, Mr. Amir Siddiqui.
Oh, like this year?
Yeah, that's what the rumors are.
I really want my younger sister to be on Big Boss.
I
Maybe
would
she
love-
would be.
I would love to be on Big Boss. See,
Right?
I would love, मतलब मुझे जिंदगी में कम से कम 1 घंटे के लिए से वो पागल खाने में जाना है and रहना है as a contestant and experience के what the fucking fuss is all about. What do you think? People.
मुझे भी. I mean, yeah, it would be nice. And we'll be on TV. I mean, what's not nice about that? Right?
Fighting all the time. But the thing is, talking about it, this quarantine lockdown period have taught us that the people at Big Boss house are not always at fault.
Yes.
The condition, the mental state that
But
they
in
have.
Big Boss, you know that this is going to end. In quarantine, you don't know when it's going to end. So it's even worse than Big Boss. Right?
Yeah. So, you are a Big Boss fan, see?
I like the fights. That's why I watch it. Otherwise, if there
Do you
were
have
no
any
fights, I
particular
won't watch it.
season that you
Huh?
have a favorite of?
I like the last one with Sana. You know what I'm
See,
talking
everyone has it. That also goes to show that you don't need to be a bloody big fucking celebrity or a full hardcore
She was
commoner
amazing.
to get part in Big Boss. You need to be an interesting character.
Person,
The reason this particular season, Big Boss 13, was so successful and famous was not because it had ye amount of stars. It was famous because it had interesting characters. All the characters, be it Mr. Siddharth Shukla, be it Shahnaz Kaur Gill, and show them your temples you're working out. See, she's a fitness enthusiast. So coming back from it, be it from Mr. Asim Riyaz, be it Rashmi Desai, Devolina Bhattacharya, they all had. Oh, sorry, I forgot Mr. Paras Chhabra. They all
God, I
had
hate him.
interesting characters. They all were interesting characters, and that's what made people get drawn to them. Like they're all different. They're all interesting. And they were also, as well as even these Larai Jhagras, they were also very entertaining along with, right? So that's why people watched it. And when the rumors are saying that BB14 mein they are like summoning this star, they're gonna summon that star this season. भाई इससे better है आप interesting characters ढूंढो ना. Find interesting characters, stars अपने आप आ जाएंगे यार.
Exactly. मैं तो like even commoners can go in it, right? So maybe you can try.
It depends on the season, and you don't know how commoners can go. कैसे जाते हैं commoners में मुझे नहीं पता.
अच्छा तो वो कास्ट करते हैं ना लोग.
या कौन कास्ट करते हैं भाई. अगर कोई देखे तो बोलो मेरे को देखना है बिग बॉस.
मैं पता लगा सकती हूँ.
You can?
Yeah.
It would be fun, right? How will people just say कि यार you're a whack job and you are perfect for that whack job show.
A Big Boss.
Yeah. And but do you know some people are totally against that?
Big Boss.
Mm.
Yeah, I know. I don't get it. And there's some people who are watching it and they're like, I don't like it when they start fighting, यार. तो तुम देख क्यों रहे हो? मतलब you want them to be happy with each other. That is why you're watching the show. Like, go find something better to do then, right?
You know, मेरे एक uncle, my mom, when Big Boss season 1 हुआ happened हुआ था, I remember सब लोग, all the family members used to clear the schedules for the day and go and sit watch Big Boss.
Yeah, I
But
remember.
after that, honestly, Big Boss became very dull and drab. मतलब forced लग रहा था कि जबरदस्ती.
हाँ,
की
but
लड़ाई.
अब recently वापस अच्छा
Yeah.
हो गया.
So my mom was watching this current season one day, and this guest came to our house. You know what that guest said when he came?
What?
Oh, I don't watch Big Boss. It's so against our culture. लड़का लड़की सब एक बेड पे सोते हैं. छी कितनी अश्लील हरकतें करते हैं.
Oh my god. Sad. That's just sad. इसी में फंसे रह जाओगे तो असली चीज़ों पे फोकस कैसे करोगे?
Exactly. लड़का लड़की साथ सो रहे हैं, इसीलिए Big Boss गंदा शो है.
I was in a live-in with my boyfriend and my parents just were like in the
Thank God घर से बाहर है.
in the next locality. Yeah, no, not that. I mean, of course, उनको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. But then I was like, I'm adult, I can do it, and they were okay with it. I guess culture का difference है यार बहुत ज़्यादा.
Culture का see in the ये जो South Asian culture है ना, this is more or less be it Bangladesh, be it India, कहीं ना कहीं certain values they are same. अभी भी in our South Asian culture अगर कोई शादी से पहले live-in में रहता है, which I would suggest, I would say कि do it only if you are sure and of that person and you trust that person enough to share your life with at that particular moment. Otherwise, just because some of your friends are doing it, you want to try it out and see, experiment. No, live in together is also a big commitment. It's just that you two are not legally married, but it's kind of what
Marriage.
how a husband and wife lives.
Yeah.
That's
Holy
what a
shit.
live-in is.
I've done that. Oh my god. Yeah.
That is. It's not like fun or anything. कि मस्ती में oh yeah I live with my
Yeah,
boyfriend. No,
it
it's
is
not.
a lot
Live-in
of
is
things.
also a level of commitment that a person, a man or woman gives each other. So अगर आप में वो capabilities नहीं है, so then you don't even deserve a live-in. Some places people live together before marriage to see that whether they can actually live together. Pass me the nail pins.
Yeah, so I did it because हमारे बीच में शादी की बात आ रही थी. He wanted to get married, and I was like, मैं उसके बारे में भी तभी सोच पाऊँगी अगर हम साथ में रहें और हम साथ में सही से रह पाए, and only then I can take a step like that. And it wasn't so bad. It was quite bad at some points, but
How long were you guys together?
we lived together for a year.
That's well enough to get to know, because people live in different places, communication, dating is difficult. So it was good for you to do that, right?
Yeah.
And your parents were okay with it. You were having fun. You were
They
happy.
weren't very happy with it. They were okay with it, but they weren't happy with it. But the thing is that they know his parents. My family knows his family. They meet up and everything, so that also had a role to play.
See, personally, I am not someone who would like to live with my partner before I get married or something, but that's just my personal choice. But
Yeah.
you feel like this is the right thing to do, there is no reason that you should not do.
Yeah, I'm glad we did it. But like now, it's a long distance again, and he's moving to Hong Kong soon. He wants me to
Wow.
move to Hong Kong with him. I don't know if I'm gonna go. I really
Just
don't
go
know.
and travel. How Hong Kong is.
I've been to Hong Kong thrice with him only. Because he works there, his job वहाँ पर है, and
अच्छा.
he over here he works at home for that company only in India. So now he wants to go there and work there, like go to office and just have that normal